What's up, guys? Have you ever posted a YouTube video, went to sleep, and woke up to see thousands of views, new subscribers, and comments flooding your phone? That's exactly what happened to me. My channel didn't grow slowly, it exploded overnight. But here's the crazy part. It wasn't luck, it was strategy. In today's video, I'll share the 5 real reasons why my YouTube channel blew up overnight and how you can make it happen too. So grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button to Tutorial Masterclass, drop a comment below, and let's get into it. Before my channel started taking off, I was just like you, frustrated, creating videos every week, barely getting 50 views, wondering what I was doing wrong. Then one night, everything changed. I made small adjustments that triggered the YouTube algorithm to finally notice me. And once it did, there was no going back. If you're ready to experience that same growth, that sudden jump from hidden to viral, keep watching because I'll walk you through 5 proven tips that turn my small, struggling channel into a fast-growing machine. Tip number 1. The hook that stops the scroll. Most creators lose viewers in the first 10 seconds of their videos. That's why I changed how I started every video. Instead of saying, "Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel," I started with something emotionally triggering. For example, instead of saying, "I'll teach you YouTube growth," I said, "You're working hard on YouTube, but no one's watching and it's not your fault." Boom. That's a hook. It connects emotionally. When people feel like you're talking directly to their problem, they stay longer and longer. Watch time signals YouTube to push your video. So before you film your next video, ask yourself, what sentence would make someone stop scrolling and think, "Wait, that's me"? That's how you start strong and keep viewers hooked till the end. Tip number 2, thumbnails that demand clicks. I used to spend hours scripting videos, but only 5 minutes on my thumbnails. Big mistake. The day I started treating my thumbnail like a movie poster, my CTR click-through rate jumped from 2% to 9%, and my views exploded. Here's the truth. YouTube doesn't push videos people don't click on. So, I use these 3 thumbnail secrets. 1 big face. Big emotion. Your facial expression must tell the story. Shock, fear, joy. Emotion triggers curiosity. 2 minimal words, no more than 3 to 5 words. Short, bold, readable even on a phone. 3 contrast and curiosity. Make sure your thumbnail pops with color and teases the topic without spoiling it. For example, my thumbnail said, "I tried this once," with a shocked face. It made people click instantly to find out what I did. Remember, your video doesn't exist if your thumbnail doesn't make them click. Tip number 3, retention is the real king. Most creators think views matter most, but the real key is retention. When my channel blew up overnight, my average view duration jumped from 30% to over 70%. That told YouTube one thing: people love this content. And when YouTube sees that, it shares your video with thousands more viewers. Here's how I did it. I cut out all boring parts. I added text captions, pop-ups, and pattern breaks every 20-30 seconds. I used quick camera zooms and sound effects to reset attention. And most importantly, I told stories. Every video wasn't just a tutorial, it was a journey. People remember stories, not instructions. If you make them feel something, they'll watch till the end and YouTube will reward you. Tip number 4, timing and consistency. Timing matters more than most people realize. I found out that uploading at the right time gave my video an instant boost. For me, it was around PM to PM when my audience was active. And here's what consistency did. Once I started uploading at the same time every week, YouTube began recommending my content more because it saw me as a reliable creator. My audience also began expecting my videos just like a TV show that airs weekly. So I built a rhythm. 1 video every week, same day, same hour. You don't have to upload daily. Just upload consistently. Consistency builds trust both with your viewers and the algorithm. Tip number 5, engage like a real human. This one's simple, but it's what made my channel blow up overnight. When viewers commented, I didn't just reply with thanks. I asked them questions, continued the conversation, and pinned their comments. When YouTube saw that kind of engagement, it assumed my content was valuable and interactive. Plus, I mentioned them in my next videos, and guess what? They shared my content everywhere. Engagement is the fuel of growth. The more people interact, the more YouTube boosts your video. So reply, heart, and talk to your audience like real friends. Build a community, not just a viewer base. So there you have it, the 5 tips why my YouTube channel blew up overnight. 1, start with a powerful emotional hook. 2, create thumbnails that demand clicks. 3, focus on retention, not just views. 4, stay consistent and post at the right time. 5, engage like a real human being. If you follow these 5 tips with passion and persistence, your channel won't just grow, it'll explode. Remember, YouTube doesn't reward perfection. It rewards connection. If you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass. Drop a comment below and hit like and share this video to help other creators grow their channels too. Keep creating, keep believing, and I'll see you in the next video.